In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the cover photo on your Facebook business page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each option means, and how to make your new image look great on both desktop and mobile. First, head to your Facebook business page. Make sure you're signed in with a role that can edit the page, like an admin or editor. The cover photo sits right at the top of your page, spanning across like a banner. Hover your cursor over that area and look for the option labeled Edit Cover Photo. Click it to open your choices. You'll see two main ways to add a new image. If you've already got the picture stored on your computer, choose Upload Photo. A file picker will open and you can browse to the image you want to use. If you've previously posted or saved the image on your page, choose Select Photo instead. That lets you pull from photos that are already in your page's library. Either way is fine. Go with whatever is quickest for you. Once your photo is chosen, Facebook will display a preview. This is where you can adjust and reposition the image so it looks clean and professional. Click and drag to move the photo up or down within the frame until the most important part is centered. If a zoom slider appears, use it to fine-tune the crop. Aim to keep text, logos, and faces away from the very edges, since mobile devices may crop more tightly than desktop screens. High-resolution, wide images typically look best, and JPEG or PNG files usually work well. If your image appears pixelated, try a larger version or a cleaner export from your design tool. Also consider color contrast. Light text on a dark background or vice versa can help your brand elements remain readable. When you're happy with the preview, click Save Changes. If you don't save, your page won't update, so be sure to confirm before navigating away. After saving, your new cover photo will appear at the top of your page. If you don't see it right away, give the page a quick refresh. It's also a good idea to check how it looks on a phone, since the crop can shift slightly on smaller screens. That's all there is to it. You went to your page, clicked Edit Cover Photo, chose an image, adjusted the positioning, and saved. Now your Facebook business page has a fresh, on-brand look that welcomes visitors with the right first impression.